Hey everyone, Joel here with Dissecting DIY, and you've probably seen one of these come in the mail. Either that, you've gotten a notice in email if you've registered for Ego product updates. The S&T 2400 service kit, PN 282-782-6002, is an update to the Chute system, which actually has been having some issues with some drifting and moving around. So they have come up with a way to stop this from happening. However, I don't think it's going to be as smooth a transition when you move it back and forth. That's going to cause some, I think it's going to click into place from now on, which isn't ideal. So it is a quick fix from them. You basically just remove a plate and then you add this on top onto that gear system. You're going to put it, secure everything back down. It just snaps into place, and then you secure the bolt for the top plate and you're good to go. It's fixed. So anyways, I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to scan and put up the instructions on the screen, and let's get started. I'm not sure if you can see that, but this is the chute here, and apparently the gear system is right here. So we're going to take off this plate. They provide you with this plate and an Allen wrench. Allen wrench goes here. That went off kind of easy. So, take the bolt out. Move the top cover. And I think this. Yeah, so not as fluid a motion, unfortunately, but it will correct the issue of it drifting. Put it back on. I might take this off because I don't think I need it. I mean, it's not an ideal fix, but at the same time, they addressed it without me having to ask. So just to show you the top view. Right. Okay. Pretty simple. I am holding a camera and doing this job, so you can see it's pretty straightforward. It only took a couple seconds. Okay, and you're all done.